Number 1, logging workers. Logging consistently ranks as one of the deadliest jobs worldwide. These workers cut down and transport massive trees in rugged terrains, often using heavy machinery that requires precision and endurance. Falling trees, sharp equipment, and remote, isolated locations only add to the danger. In the US, loggers earn an average of $47,900 annually, with experienced professionals making up to $65,150, depending on expertise and location. Number 2, underwater welders. Imagine fusing metal in total darkness while battling freezing temperatures, strong currents, and malfunctioning equipment. Underwater welders repair pipelines, oil rigs, and ships, where every task carries the risk of drowning or decompression sickness. Salaries range from $25,000 to $60,000 annually, with elite professionals earning upwards of $100,000 for their specialized expertise. Number 3, electric line workers. Electric line workers construct, maintain, and repair electrical grids and transmission systems. During storms, when power lines fall, these workers are the first responders, braving electrocution, extreme weather, and deadly falls. On average, line workers in the U.S. earn $75,000 annually, with high-risk roles and overtime pushing salaries to over $100,000. Number 4, high-rise window washers. Suspended hundreds of feet above the ground with just a harness, high-rise window washers tackle winds, unpredictable weather, and constant danger to keep skyscraper windows spotless. One misstep can be fatal. These daring workers earn an average annual salary of $51,426 in the United States. Number 5, sewer workers. This job takes workers deep into the murky and hazardous underbelly of city infrastructure. Sewer cleaners clear clogs, maintain drainage systems, and keep waste flowing, all while contending with toxic gases, harmful bacteria, and unpredictable dangers in confined spaces. The average annual salary for sewer cleaners in the U.S. is around $47,000. These dangerous jobs form the backbone of modern society, ensuring cities function, infrastructure operates, and life carries on seamlessly. Yet, despite the immense risks and physical toll, their compensation rarely matches the value of their work. The glaring disparity between blue-collar and white-collar salaries serves as a stark reminder of how essential, high-risk labor often goes undervalued. Isn't it time for fairer recognition and pay?